You need to watch this if you struggle with breaking through to the next level of success. Welcome to Entrepreneurial Edge, where we unlock the secrets of the world's top achievers. Today, we're diving into the timeless wisdom of Jim Rohn, legendary motivational speaker and personal development coach whose teachings have inspired millions worldwide. If you want to become a millionaire, you must first develop the mindset of one. It's not about luck or background, it's about your psychology, your standards, and your daily disciplines. Let's dive into the 11 mindset shifts that can change your life forever. The first shift is to take absolute responsibility for your life. Blaming others gives away your power. You are the captain of your ship. Every choice and result starts and ends with you. Make a list of your excuses, cross them out, and replace them with empowering beliefs and actions. Instead of "I don't have enough money," say, "I will find a way to create more value." You are the architect of your future. The foundation is ownership. Start building the life you desire. Begin with taking ownership today. Jim Rohn said, "Work harder on yourself than you do on your job." Your income rarely exceeds your personal development. Invest in your growth. Read, find mentors, and sharpen your skills daily. As you grow, your capacity and income will grow too. You can't hit a target you can't see. Most people have vague wishes, not real goals. Get specific. Write down exactly what you want and why it matters. Pick your top goals for the year and write why they're a must. Read your goals every morning and night to program your mind for success. A goal not written down is just a wish. Clarity is power. Everyone faces problems. The difference is the size of the person facing them. Don't wish for life to be easier, wish to be better. Identify your biggest obstacle and the skill that would solve it. Make it your mission to master that skill. See setbacks as feedback, not failure. Level up your skills and you'll level up your life. Success isn't something you chase, it's something you attract by becoming valuable. Focus on adding value, developing character, and mastering your craft. When you become a person of substance, success will chase you. The getting is just a consequence of the becoming. Master your finances, or your finances will master you. Builders use income to acquire assets, not just spend. Track every dollar, follow a disciplined budget, and invest in your future. Learn about assets, investing, and compound interest. Financial discipline is the bridge to wealth. Success is built on daily discipline, not one-time acts. Small choices compound into massive results. Identify your keystone habits, morning routines, learning, or exercise. Commit to these habits for 30 days. Your future is hidden in your daily routine. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Surround yourself with people who challenge and inspire you. Curate your associations. Seek out mentors and high achievers. Your association determines your acceleration. Trading time for money has a ceiling. The millionaire shift is to become an owner, not just an earner. Build systems and assets that generate income without your direct involvement. Start small, create one passive income stream, then another. The goal is to decouple your income from your time. This is how you buy back your time and build a legacy. Your mind needs daily nourishment, new ideas, skills, and inspiration. Make learning non-negotiable. Read, listen, and seek mentors. The more you learn, the more you earn. A fed mind is the starting point of all great fortunes. Cultivate gratitude for what you have, but never lose your hunger for growth. Gratitude grounds you. Hunger drives you. Start and end each day with 3 things you're grateful for. Celebrate your wins, but always reach for the next peak. This balance fuels a lifetime of growth. These 11 principles are your blueprint for success. Don't try to master them all at once. Pick one and commit for 30 days. Action is the key. The power to change is already within you. Will you be a dabbler or a master? The choice is yours. Your new life is waiting. Claim it. Like, subscribe, and share if you're ready to level up. Remember, success is nothing more than a few simple disciplines practiced every day. Start today and watch your life transform.